Welcome to the unboxing video for the GlasWeld Gforce Max Professional Kit. Now if you work with glass in a building setting, architectural glass, automotive glass, really any high-end custom glass, custom mirrors, you no doubt run into scratches, and you know what a big problem they can be. They can cost you money, they can cause hassles, delays, reinstallation costs, negative customer experience, etc. So in order to keep your business smoothing, it's important to have a solution to glass scratch removal that's simple and easy, and that in most cases can be done distortion free. So the Gforce Max Professional Kit is designed for everyone from a small to medium glass shop, an auto glass distributor, a custom shower door fabricator or installer, a glazing contractor, really anybody who deals with high-end glass on occasion, or might deal with occasions where a piece of glass comes in either from a manufacturer or after installation with some minor and maybe even some severe scratches. This kit is designed to tackle both types of situations, incidental type glass scratch removal situations, whether they be minor or whether they be slightly more severe. So let's jump into the contents of the Gforce Max Professional Kit. Now the first thing you'll notice is that the Professional Kit includes one of these foam splatter guards with suction cups built into the back. So with this you'll be able to, on a job site, put this right on the glass and contain all of your splatter and water flow in one small area. A really nice, convenient option for those of you who might be doing mobile glass scratch removal work. As we go into the kit itself, you'll notice right off the bat that it has a high quality IP67 ballistics grade case that's dust-proof, crush-proof, and waterproof. And it's designed to protect the investment of the Gforce Max Professional Kit. You'll notice right off the bat here too, you've got your quick start guide, which covers all of the basics of learning how to use the one-step distortion-free process, as well as the included multi-step process, which is used for more severe scratches in most cases. All right, so let's look at the core contents here. Of course, the biggest thing you'll notice here right off the bat is the Gforce Max tool itself. The Max tool is designed from the ground up for glass scratch removal to make it easy and fast and ergonomic. Whether you're left-handed, right-handed, whether you're working up in the corner of a window pane in a casement window or on the side glass of a vehicle, it doesn't matter. It's designed to work in any different situation in order to tackle glass scratch removal. You notice it has a tube attached to it as well. That attaches to the water feed system, which I'll show you shortly. And then on the back, you've got the button here, which is designed ergonomically so that your thumb is able to tap it regardless of whether you're left-handed or right-handed. Water feeds right through the center of the tool and then through the polishing disc or the microforce disc that we might use. So the next component is the water feed system, which attaches to it. You just snap those two together, pressurize the water bottle, pump it up to pressurize it. You'll notice it's got suction cups to install it right on the glass itself, or a belt clip to stick it on your belt if you're working in a mobile setting. In addition to that, we always include the GFCI. Now the GFCI is designed to cover you and make sure you're safe and OSHA compliant regardless of where you're working. So whether you're plugging it into an extension cord or directly into a wall outlet, unless the wall outlet already has a GFCI built in, we recommend you always use the GFCI between the Gforce Max system and the wall outlet or the extension cord. So we'll put those core components back in our kit here, put them nice and tidy, and then let's take a look at the supplies box and see what we have included in there. Now again, the Professional Kit has some extra goodies in it to help you cover those more severe situations that you might run into. So you'll notice right off the bat the 3-inch assortment pack of the microforce discs. Now this is for the multiple step process for deeper scratches. Will allow you to remove those scratches a lot quicker. It has 2 of each of the grades, the 1, 2, 3, and 4 disc. So if you occasionally run into more severe situations, keep your business running smoothly with the Professional Kit. It'll allow you to tackle those situations. In addition to that, you've got the 3-inch backer pad, self-leveling, custom made with a hole in it, with a special material on the metal as well so that it doesn't rust, and that works along with the 3-inch microforce discs. Of course, you have 3 2-inch polishing discs, and that is designed for removing the scratches with the one-step process. So you've got enough supplies there to do about 75 hours worth of one-step distortion-free process. So that's included as well. Down below here, we'll pull out our polishing compound. So we have a large tube of polishing compound. This will allow you to do about 50 to 75 hours worth of glass scratch removal. So that's a lot of scratches you can remove, with the average scratch being 5 to 15 minutes to remove. In addition, we've got a couple of different brushes down here. We've got a blue brush, which is designed to brush glass particles out of the microforce discs. We also have a wire brush, which is designed to rough up the polishing discs themselves to keep them nice and porous. We also have some safety equipment, some safety goggles, some earplugs, and also another important tool if you're doing all types of different glass scratch removal, and that's your IR thermometer. Just one point at the glass, about 3 to 6 inches away, and it'll give you an accurate temperature reading, so you'll know whether you're keeping the glass in that sweet spot, that appropriate range that the Gforce Max system works best in, depending on what type of glass you're working on. So you've got supplies there to do 50 to 75 hours worth of different types of scratch removal, regardless of what type of scratch removal you might run into. Again, the professional kit is a great option for all of you who run into incidental scratches from time to time. It costs you time, it costs you money, it can cause hassles with customers, but you might also run into those slightly more severe situations where there's a cluster of deeper scratches, as an example. This system is designed to tackle those situations as well, whether it be in a shop setting or in a mobile setting. We want to invite you to like our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and our YouTube page, because we're always adding additional resources to help you be as effective as possible at glass scratch removal. So check out those additional training resources on our social media pages. If you have any questions at all about the Gforce Max Professional Kit, please don't hesitate to contact us, and thank you for tuning in to the GlasWeld unboxing video of the Gforce Max Professional Kit.